So over here, you can see that I have a video in a Toon Boom Storyboard project. And here you can see that this is the video right here. So the video can be used as a reference when you're drawing out storyboard. And especially in a darker video like this, it is hard to actually take it as a reference. So in that case, what you can do is you can change around the opacity of the file right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in 50, and you will be able to see that now the opacity of the video has been turned into 50%, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around, take, let's say, for example, paint brushes right here, and start, let's say, for example, you can go around and then start drawing around over here and take this as a reference, as you can see. So let's say this is like the let's say, for example, the waterfall right here. You got something like this, so you can go around and trace it out. So just like that, I'm going to go around right here. So let me just go around and add in, let's say, for example, a new panel right here. And in new panel, I'm just going to go around and draw out something else. So I'm just going to go around right here. So let's say this is going to be another panel right here, just like this. You can go around and trace it out. So another thing that you can do is you can also use the storyboard as a reference, as you can see right here. And then you can take any videos and then use it as a reference for the drawing over here as well. So that is how you can use videos as a reference and decrease out the opacity of videos inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.